We do all of the things that keep the world moving, and that's what's been the foundation of Central Power Systems from the beginning. In 1948, we began parts and service for Detroit Diesel and Allison transmissions. It then grew into a much larger business over time. Everything we do today, we sell a technical product, and then we provide the service and parts for that for the life of the product. So then to talk about our roots of Detroit Diesel and Allison transmissions, we rebuild and service those for many, many trucking companies. We have truck shops across the Midwest, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Missouri. For Critical Power, our company has been in the power generation business since the 60s. We then took engines, built them into generators for all kinds of applications. Then we teamed up with big companies like today's MTU and Rolls-Royce. We build the best generators on the planet. We supply them for big data center companies. We supply them for hospitals, fire departments, banks. Everything that today has to always operate must have a backup generator. So not only do we sell it on the front side, but then the service contracts and support for the life of the generator come back through Central Power Systems. And that led us to, all right, we have customers out there who need niche products. They don't build them in mass, they need them in a smaller quantity to fit exactly what they are doing. So we developed a very specialized set of oil field equipment that is a natural gas generator, runs on the site to make electricity, send it down to the pump, and pump the oil out. It's a huge business for us. Man, when you put these units in the field and they run them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, lots of parts and service follow. In 2015, one of the things that the company was when we bought it was it didn't have a large OEM base. Looked at the market and said, all right, what we do great is we provide a technical sale and then all the support afterwards. Where does that look like? One of the things that brought us to was infrastructure equipment, construction equipment. So we began courting manufacturers. I had a relationship with Liebherr for many years from the mining days. I had sold 400 trucks into the market in Arizona, into the mining. And so I knew these guys, and they had a great line of construction equipment they were trying to bring to the United States. In fact, they had manufactured John Deere's equipment for a very long time. When they split, and Liebherr could now sell their own products into here, they began to build a dealership network. We got in on that on the front side. We are now Liebherr's exclusive provider. Then we rolled in other manufacturers like Wacker-Neuson. It led us to Doosan, which today is Develon. They're trying to own the market. We're running with them. It's a great product at a great price. So it's one of those things that great matches where that industry for us was the ability to sell that machine into the market and for the life of that product, be the service and parts provider. With Develon, that opportunity opened up an even greater territory expansion for us. We now have a branch in Austin, San Antonio, we're looking at one in Phoenix. Like, we're on the move with this company to take them where they want to go, that takes us where we want to go. Central Power Systems and Services has been providing support for the infrastructure of the United States for 75 years. We're looking forward to the future in the next 75 years. This company is prepared to move forward, and we're excited about our future.